Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Alright, 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD, I believe it is. Rear differential, drain and fill. I'm using a 15/16 for the fill plug and a 15/16 for the drain plug. Pretty easy. Left to loosen, right to tighten for both bolts. This is just an overview. So you take that off, let it drain into a bucket, and then put the plug back in, and take this out, and you fill it with 75-90 synthetic fluid, and it can take anywhere from 3.2 quarts to 4.2 quarts apparently. So you want to buy maybe 5 quarts total of the fluid, and you'll have some extra maybe. So fill it till it comes to the bottom of the hole, probably till it comes out, and that will be put the plug back in, and that will be replacing your fluid on your rear differential on your 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Pretty easy job for you.